everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a beautiful bird perched on a branch of a tree. Grab your pencils and let's get started. First, let's move on to the branch. Draw a long curved line beneath the bird's feet to represent the branch. Add some smaller branches extending from the main branch for more detail. We will begin with the basic shapes. Draw a small circle for the bird's head and an oval shape attached to it for the body. Don't worry about perfection, these are just guidelines. Next, let's add the bird's beak. Draw a small triangle shape on the head circle. Now draw two short lines extending from the body for the legs. At the end of each leg, sketch out small ovals for the feet. Time to add some wings. Draw a curved line from the top of the bird's body coming down towards the middle. Repeat this on the other side. For the tail, draw 3 to 4 long, narrow shapes extending from the bottom of the bird's body. These will be the tail feathers. Next, add details to the bird's face. You can also draw a line above the eye for the eyebrow, giving the bird some expression. Let's give our bird some texture. Add small curved lines along the wings and tail to represent feathers. Now let's define the branch. Add more details by drawing small jagged lines along the branch to give it a rough texture. You can also add some leaves by drawing small oval shapes along the branches. Finally, outline your drawing with a darker pencil or pen or erase initial guidelines. You can add some shading to give your drawing more depth and make it like more realistic. And there have you it, a lovely bird sitting on a branch. Feel free to add your own details and background to make the drawing uniquely yours. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.